Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Carla, and welcome to the video. So for today's video guys, as you can see sa title and sa thumbnail, I will show you kung paano ba magbayad sa ating BillIs loan gamit ang ating QRPH. So dati guys, hindi talaga ako gumagamit ng QRPH. I'll try to use the QRPH, and usually guys, pinipay all installments ko siya. But now, hindi ko siya ipipay all installment dahil may gusto akong patunayan kung totoo ba ang theory kay BillIs na kapag finul mo yung paunti-unti na installment payment nila, madadagdagan yung iyong credit limit. So, let's try it dahil for almost 6 months na paggamit ko ng aking BillIs, hindi talaga tumaas yung offer ni BillIs guys. I don't know why. Siguro dahil kapag may utang ako, I will usually pay it in full. So, ngayon, itatry natin punuin yung installment nila. So, for 3 months, ito yung bayaran ko. So, ayan. So, now, I'll try to pay 933 gamit ang ating QRPH. So, dahil si QRPH, wala kang babayaran na other fees, unlike dito sa iba. So, kung kay QRPH tayo, instant and no pay. Pero, pag dito kay ba't ganun? Nag-free na. So, gaya kay GCash, meron silang meron kang babayaran, and look at that. So, i-choose natin si QRPH guys. So, ayan, i-download lang natin tong QR na to. Ayan, image save na. And then, bumalik tayo sa GCash. So, ayan, may binayaran ako kanina. So, yeah. So, ito na lang yung remaining amount ko. And then, what you will do is tap the send, express send, and upload the QR. So, yan lang naman. Sobrang dali and sobrang bilis lang ng pagbayad ng iyong mga loans and stuff. So, ayan. Wala siyang hidden charges, guys. Or wala siyang other fees. Kaya, hassle-free. So, ayan. In instant, nakabayad na tayo ng ating utang. So, yeah, sobrang dali. So, let's go back sa ating BillIs. Tingnan natin kung na-paid na tayo. So, ganun pa rin. But let's see. Ayan, wala na tayong due, guys. Sa next 14 days, meron na naman ulit tayong due. So, ayan. So, that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you did get something from me today. And see you guys on my next one. Bye!